But
Huh?
mm, tell me what?
So guys, I just recently followed this woman, Mamkhize or what. I love her. I feel like that woman is a vibe.
I do, but you know she had her body done, right?
I don't know, and I don't care because I also got my
I'm
body.
just letting you know
I'm getting my
that
body.
she had a BBL in.
Not cheap. That shit is all cheap, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Tommy, she had her body in, but remember then she was married to the traffic cop useless man, right? And then now,
Let's not talk about Mamkhize. I don't want to be talking about powerful people.
but Tommy, you brought it up.
Yes, people. Let's talk about something else.
Who?
The feather. How was the feather awards?
I don't want to talk about that fucking feathers. I want to talk about Mamkhize.
I can't talk about Mamkhize because I don't know her from a bastard, and I feel like she's a pretty queen. Honey.
Is she pretty though, or she's just rich?
I feel like she's a natural.
Like, be honest.
See her with makeup. All of us, Musa, like now, I don't have like makeup. You can see even my. So I feel like I'm normal. I feel like also with her,
You look nice.
Normal if she doesn't have like a deep face beat. That's how we are as women. With a full face beat, that woman is beautiful. Mamkhize.
Yeah.
Guys, whoever.
Well, she is, but without it.
Everyone that's watching this video, Mamkhize, me, I love you, mama. Mama.
I love me some mama as well. But is she a pretty woman? What do you think?
I love her.
When you see her, do you like, you know, she pretty? Because obviously she got the money and she nice. But when you look at it, do you think, wow?
I think what?
I'm like, when you see her, do you think what a pretty woman? Or you think what Tiniswayo thing? Like, I don't know.
If I see Mamkhize, I'll think she's pretty. You are crazy, Lisa.
I'm just asking. Well, I love her. Like, I absolutely love her. But
You guys, so the very same Mamkhize that is the one who allegedly has been giving Musa Khawula money. Not only that, but she also allegedly is the one who funded his YouTube studio. The pink background furniture was allegedly funded by Mamkhize. So Musa Khawula goes around gossiping about her on his Insta Live with Uinomero Long, guys. So Musa has no filter and we love it, guys. Now do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.